favourite thing crocodile loves to eat are mud crabs. And mud crabs will come in probably this far, seeking out dead animals, rotting vegetation as such as well. And the crocodiles will come in looking for the mud crabs. Now, up until recently, it was theorised that crocodiles could only eat rotting flesh. How crazy is that? The reason why that theory was about was because crocodiles are known to store corpses of their kills under logs, submerged logs, outcrops, that kind of thing. So it was theorised that the crocodile would make its kill, store the body, and then eat the flesh when it was rotting. But that's not exactly true. There's only